never gave up drinking, I would surely have a beer right now. Talking politics and religion, I don't wanna be here right now. And I'd much rather be alone with you in a room without any clothes on, just you and me. If my body wasn't done, I would buy some drugs today, trading my thoughts for fun, smoking pot in the middle of the day. And I would trade it all for nothing but nothing. I'm doing nothing all day, just you and me. If we can change subject, then we can change the king. I'll beat our plowshares into torches and burn down everything. If we didn't have kids, we'd do anything, anytime. Sex and drugs and TV, fancy restaurants all the time. But I'd much rather be swinging on a swing set, running in the grass, playing ball at sunset, just you and them and me. If I never start smoking, I would go for a run right now. I'm quitting, I'm not joking, someday soon but not right now. And I'd much rather have a few more years, even if it's not guaranteed, with you and me and them. If we can change subject, then we can change the king. I beat our plowshares into torches and burn